Hello everyone. So welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we'll see regression analysis process. Since in my previous lecture already we had seen the definition of regression analysis, and definition was nothing but in this process we are trying to identifying the mathematical relationship between the data sets. So here we'll do the same thing, but here the steps are explained in detail. Basically, regression analysis process is a two-step process. At the first step, what we are doing in regression analysis process, first we are identifying the types of variable from the data sets by looking into the nature of data. In general, we can say every database has two types of variable, or general data set has two types of variable: the dependent variable and independent variable. Now again question come, what is dependent variable and what is independent variable? To explain that thing, I'll take one example. Suppose here we have one example, y equal to x square 4x plus 9. So in this case here we can say here two variable we have. One is variable x and other is variable y. So in this case the variable y can be considered as dependent variable, because to find the value of y we should have the value of x. Until and unless we have the value of x, we cannot calculate the value of y. But to calculate the value of x, x does not depend on any other variable, so that's why x is called independent variable. So at the very first step, I hope this step is clear to you now, and again this step can be understood in detail with the help of this example. Here we can say here we have the original data set. So that is the two types of data: red color data and blue color data. So on the so basically here we are considering two types of data only, and from the data set we'll select some samples and we'll form the training set, and from the training set here we'll do analysis of variable from the training set, and after doing the analysis we will come to the conclusion we have two types of data. One is dependent variable data and other is independent variable data. So in that case, for the sake of understanding, here we can consider a red color sample is nothing but it is a dependent variable, and the blue color samples can be considered as it is an independent variable. So this is step number one. I hope this step is very clear to you now. At the step one, what we are doing, only we are identifying the type of variable, and the variable can be dependent variable or variable can be independent variable. Then after identifying the variable, we'll go to the step number two. Step number two says that after identifying the types of variable from the data sets, here we will build a mathematical model, and where dependent variable are expressed in terms of independent variable. This step clearly says here we'll build mathematical model. And to explain the second step, again we'll take one example. Since at the step one, here we can say our output was dependent variable and independent variable that we have identified, and that dependent variable and independent variable will give input to the regression analysis process or regression analysis algorithm. A regression analysis algorithm will do the analysis on the variable x and the variable y. In general, we can say on the red color data sets and blue color data sets, and after doing the analysis, it will relate or it will form mathematical relationship between the data sets, and after forming the mathematical relationship it came to the conclusion and it identified the mathematical model is y equal to 3x plus 1. So here y equal to 3x plus 1, we can say this is the equation of regression. This is called equation of regression, and in this equation of regression y is a dependent variable and x is independent variable. So this is the regression analysis process and how it works. I hope this step is clear to you, and this is the end of this lecture, and from next lecture we'll start with a new topic. Thank you.